In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change roles in Skool. If you manage a school community, updating someone's role is quick and straightforward, and this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you have the appropriate permissions in your community. Typically, only owners and admins can change member roles. If you're missing options later on, that's the most common reason. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. In the results, click the official Skool website so you land on the correct platform. From there, sign in with your account. Use the same login you normally use for your community. If your account has extra security enabled, complete any verification prompts so you can proceed. After you log in, you should be taken directly into your community. If you're part of multiple communities and don't see the right one right away, just select the correct community from your account or sidebar area so you're working in the right place. Next, look at the top navigation bar inside your community and click the Members tab. This is where you can see everyone who belongs to the community. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to find the person you want to update. Keeping the member's name handy before you start can save you time here. Once you've located the right person, look for the small gear icon next to their name. It's often labeled as the Membership Settings. Click that gear to open their membership options. If you've already clicked into their profile, you can also use the gear icon in the top right corner of their profile. Both paths lead to the same role controls, so use whichever is faster for you. From the menu that appears, select the role you want to assign, such as Admin, Moderator, or Billing Manager. Choose Admin if the person needs broad management capabilities across the community. Pick Moderator if they'll help oversee posts, comments, or member activity without full administrative power. Use Billing Manager if they only need access to payment or subscription-related tasks. Take a moment to confirm you're assigning the correct role for their responsibilities, especially when elevating permissions. As soon as you select the role, the update typically takes effect instantly. If the change doesn't appear right away on your screen, a quick refresh usually resolves it. It's a good practice to let the member know you've updated their access, and, if needed, remind them to refresh their page to see their new tools. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective.